Yo, what's up, garden fans? Today we're talking about one of the biggest updates in Grow a Garden, the trading update. It's officially happening. There's confirmed news, developer leaks, and some rumors too. Let's get into it. Starting with what's confirmed. Pet gifting is back. The developers rebuilt the backend after duplication issues. And it's finally working. This was a foundation needed for the new trading system, which is confirmed to be coming soon. Now, what will be tradable? According to leaks and community speculation, possible tradable items include crops, pets and eggs, rare seeds, tools, and cosmetics like flower pots and watering cans. The new trade system is expected to have several safety features. Confirmation if an item is changed during the trade. A countdown before the trade completes. An automatic cancellation if one player disconnects or leaves early. Some leaks also mention limited-time trading events. These could reward players with trade tokens, which can be exchanged for rare gear like golden tools, glowing cosmetics, or custom effects. The update has sparked a lot of discussion. Some players are excited about the new economy and trading options. Others are cautious about scams or inflation. But it's clear that this system will change the way people play the game. That's everything we know so far about the Grow a Garden trading update. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.